This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Reswas Cough Syrup is a powerful remedy for managing dry cough. It combines the effects of an antihistamine and a cough suppressant. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of dry cough resulting from various causes, including allergic reactions, hay fever, common cold, and other respiratory conditions. It helps alleviate symptoms such as watery eyes, itchy throat, and skin irritations. Patients also find it beneficial for treating rhinitis and urticaria, providing a multifaceted approach to cough relief and associated allergy symptoms. How it works. The syrup works by blocking the H1 receptor with chlorpheniramine, which prevents the release of histamine, while levodropropizine acts on the cough center in the brain to suppress coughing. Directions for use. Take the syrup as advised by your physician. It is important to shake the bottle well before use. Your healthcare provider will determine the correct dosage and duration based on your age, body weight, and specific health condition. Always follow their instructions closely to ensure safe and effective treatment. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include sedation, somnolence, exhaustion, constipation, vomiting, dry mouth, attention deficit, abnormal coordination, and dizziness. If any side effects worsen, contact your physician promptly. Precautions and warnings. Consult your healthcare provider before use if you have severe kidney disease, lung diseases, heart problems, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Avoid alcohol consumption during treatment, and be cautious if you are elderly or have other health conditions. FAQs. 1. For what conditions is this syrup used? It is used for managing dry cough and associated symptoms. 2. How does it work? It blocks histamine release and suppresses coughing. 3. What side effects can occur? Possible side effects include sedation and dizziness. 4. Can it be used in children? It is not recommended for children under 6 years without consulting a doctor. 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? It is generally not recommended. Consult your doctor. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.